Hi guys, I'm so excited to do this video today. I'm going to be opening a lucky bag from Beautylish. If you don't know, Beautylish is an online company that does skincare and makeup, and they sell high-end and luxury products. Their lucky bag is a mystery bag that they sell once a year, and they sell it one day, the day after Christmas, which happens to be my birthday. So as a birthday present to myself, I bought it. It comes in two sizes, large and extra large. And honestly, if you don't grab it in the first 10 minutes it goes on sale, you're going to miss out on it. They promise that it's going to be twice the value. So I bought it for $150 and they guarantee $300 worth of value. If you buy the $75, which is the smaller box, they guarantee $150 worth of value. Let's see if I actually get that much in my box. You know, I'm not generally a gambler, and I feel this is somewhat of a gamble, so I'm a little bit anxious about opening the box, and I'm also a little bit excited. I got the box yesterday, and all I have done is just split it open, but I haven't opened the contents. If you're excited about seeing what's in this box and whether you would be interested in buying the box in the future, stand by. I'm Cindy, I'm 67, I do videos on makeup, skincare, and curly hair. I have dry, sensitive, and obviously aging skin. If you haven't done already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell to be alerted when I post new videos. Are you ready? I'm excited. Let's get started. At the end, I'm going to tally up all the actual costs and tell you what the worth of my box is and what I'm actually going to use on my aging skin. I've seen several unboxings. I know there's some commonalities, but I know there's lots of differences, so I really don't know what's in here. First of all, look at this beautiful wrapping paper. Whoops. Can't see it if the cardboard is closed. Now inside, you have some paper, and then everything is in this bubble wrap container. It's not that big. All right, I'm gonna open it with a scissor and kind of randomly reach in and see what I have. Let's move the box out of the way and tear it open. And I'm going to try not to look as I grab. First of all, I've got this black looking thing. And inside is Unit brushes, and they're eye brushes. Unit is a line that's unique to Beautylish, and they're synthetic brushes. Let me feel them. Oh, they feel really soft. Okay, I like them. And there are 5 of them. And a little travel case. Let's see what else I have. I know they put something from this brand in every box. And it is from Good Molecules, which is a affordable skincare brand. This is the Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel. I'm glad I got this because I've seen in other lucky boxes that they have the AHA, BHA exfoliator, and I couldn't use that because I have a really sensitive skin. But I think this is going to be okay. It's pretty heavy. I think it's a glass jar. All right, it is glass. I'm going to come back later and tell you if the ingredients are okay for my sensitive skin. Now, aha, something from Wayne Goss, and I have several things from Wayne Goss. This is the Essential Eye Kohl Pencil in, I don't know what color yet, Obsidian, which is black. All right, I could use this. I have his Eye Kohl pencil. And I have it more in a brown, and I like it. This is nice. Let me swatch it for you. Oh yeah, they're very smooth and very nice. I can use this. Not sad about this at all. All right, this is by Terry Twist On Lip, a dual lipstick. I'm not really sure what this is. Let's open it up and see. All right, this is the color. I'm not sure what dual lip means. It's nude and burgundy. I think what it does is it gives you a lip line and it gives you lipstick all in one configuration. All right, I'm going to swatch this because I really have no idea how this would work. All right, here's what it looks like. And that actually is a nice color. I'm going to look online and see what the comments are about that. But yeah, this color is very, very nice and appropriate for me. Next. Ugh. This is something I've seen other people get and I know I can't use. These are towel scrunchies. Yeah. So what you're supposed to do is dry your hair when it's up in a bun. This is not how I dry my hair. So this is going to my daughter, Alex, if you're watching. This is for you. What you're supposed to do is tie your hair up in a bun, if you can see that. And it will absorb the water. Now I do use microfiber towels to dry my hair, but this would not work. It would make my hair completely bizarro. Not good for curly hair, but she has very straight hair, so I think this will work for her. And the last thing, Wow. I didn't get a lot of stuff in this bag. I'm kind of a little disappointed. I'm going to have to count this up and get back to you on this because it's a Jouer palette, matte and shimmer eyeshadow palette. Jouer is a nice brand, but I was hoping for Charlotte Tilbury or something comparable to that. And I'm going to have to open this with a scissor. Oh. It doesn't look like I got a lot of stuff. I'm going to reach... No, that's it to the box. Yeah, this is all I got. Folks, I'm not sure if I got $300 worth of products in this box. In fact, I don't think I did. What? This looks like a pretty small box. Could I have been, I don't want to use the word cheated, but could I have been given what I was supposed to get? I'm thinking no. I've seen people get a lot of stuff, and I don't think I've gotten even $150 worth of stuff, but we'll count it up at the end. So this is Essential Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. All right, this is nice. Probably have these colors coming and going. There's shimmers and matte, as it said. And here are some of the matte colors. All right, that's pretty strong. And this is a shimmer. This is a matte. The shade names are not on the palette. They're probably on the back. They are. This is black or licorice. All right, those are pretty strong. Sorry to blind you. We have mocha, macchiato, desert, and sepia on this row. All right, let's swatch them. They're nice, but honestly, I have a lot of these colors. Some of them are a little weak. It's a nice neutral palette, but it's nothing that I'm gonna get all excited about. And honestly, that's it. I will be back after I check out the total cost of all these items. I'm back. I was not expecting this. Either I am the unluckiest person on the planet or they made a mistake. I'm going to go through each item with you and give you my opinion and also tell you what it's worth and total it up at the end. All right, let's start with the towel scrunchies. This is $18. I already told you I can't use these, but my daughter will get use out of these, I'm hoping. Then the Good Molecules Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel. Now, the interesting thing about Good Molecules is they are listing all the ingredients on their package. I'm not sure if you can see that. One of the ingredients is rose flower water, 1%. Rose water is a perfuming ingredient, not great for skincare, but for a cleanser, it's not too bad because you're putting it on your skin, you're washing it off. It's not going to bother me too much to use this because it's not staying on my skin. Did I say it was $12? Next thing were the Units brushes, and this is $30. Now, I said they were nice. I think they are nice brushes, but I have so many brushes of this type that I think they're going to my daughter. $30 Units brushes. They have a 4-star rating on their site. Then we have the Kohl Essential Eye Pencil. And it's in black. I would have preferred if it was brown, but I will use it. And I do like his eye pencils. So this is a keeper. This is $14. Now the next thing I was really kind of unsure about, by Terry Twist on Lip, which is a combination lip pencil and lipstick. And I tried it because I've taped this before and it didn't come out. So I'm taping this again, but I'll try it on with you. The color is really nice. You can see it has 2 tones. And I'm going to try this again. I like this color. What do you guys think? I'm not mad at this. This only has a 3-star rating, but there were only 2 ratings on the site and one person was allergic to it. And the last product what? Is this Jouer Essential Matte and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. And this only has a 3.5-star rating. Yeah, this is $42. I am not excited because the final tally was $150. As I said in the beginning, I'm pretty sure they guaranteed you $300 worth of products in your extra large Lucky Bag. I've already fired off an email to Beautylish. They're very good with their customer service. I am positive I'm going to get a response back and maybe I'll get some more stuff. I don't know. But I am super disappointed, folks. I don't know what the problem is. I've seen one other video where the reviewer got $150 worth of merchandise in her extra large Lucky Bag, and comments on her site were, I think you have a problematic bag, and that's what I got. Lucky me. I'd want to know from you, is there anything here that you're particularly interested in? Are you likely to get a Lucky Bag? Did you get a Lucky Bag? But listen, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click that like button, even if you didn't like the product so much. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time. Hold on, everybody. I have a late breaking news. Customer service got back to me right away. And they said, Thank you for reaching out to us. Upon further review of your Lucky Bag order, it appears you in fact purchased the Get One, Give One Lucky Bag. By purchasing the very special Lucky Bag, you would have paid $150 for 2 original Lucky Bags. 1 original Lucky Bag will be delivered to you, and 1 original Lucky Bag will be donated to a client of Ruby's Place. That's a charity in San Francisco, and it goes on and on. It sounds like a really good charity, but I had really no idea I was doing that. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. So I reassessed and figured, all right, I was actually spending $75. What really am I going to be using for my $75? I thought about it and thought, okay, what would I actually buy and use if I was just going on the site? And that would be the Wayne Goss pencil, which was $14. And the only thing that I really discovered was the By Terry Twist On Lip. Everything else that I got, I would not have gotten. I would not have gotten the Good Molecules cleanser because it has rose water. It's not going to be terrible, but I would not have chosen this. The scrunchies, no way. The palette, nope. The Units brushes look nice, but I really don't need them. And I think that's all I got. So of the $75, which is what the regular Lucky Bag would have cost me, really only $48 of products is what I'm going to use. Everything else is going to be either used reluctantly or given away. Yeah, I'm going to have to think twice, 3 times, and a 4th time if I order a Lucky Bag again. I don't know, guys. It's nice to give to charity. I'm very charitable, but I'm super disappointed. Okay, that's the postscript. The good news? Yes, customer support does get back to you quickly. The bad news? Not happy with what I got.